Hi guys, welcome to my mess. Alright, I just wanted to show you something really quick that I have made. But before that, I wanted to show you one more gadget that I have bought. Alright, let me just move this stuff over. And it's a mess, but you know the story if you're following my videos. Okay, so I did buy the guillotine. I think that's what you call it, right? From We Are Memory Keepers. It goes up to 6 inches. I love their tools. To a second reason is because I'm not great at math, and I don't know if any of you feel the way I do, but I am really totally intimidated by fractions. I mean, I can go to the store and calculate all of that. Some people have said to me, you know, relay math to that, to shopping. But for some reason, I don't know, since I was a kid, I was, I don't know, tortured. I don't know what to say, but yeah, I'm intimidated. But anyway, look at this. It has like 1 7/8, 1 1/4. See how the fractions are broken there? So I love that about We Are Memory Keepers. I'm not advocating for them. This is a disclaimer. I'm just saying from the tools, because I love Tim Holtz tools too. But when it comes to anything that has a measuring to it, this is my go-to company. Really, I love it. And then I put this around it for safety, and it keeps this locked down. I know that Tim Holtz has one, and I love it. It's beautiful, and I was tempted to buy it, but it didn't have the measuring like that. So yes, so if you have a hard time, that would be good. Oh wait, I wanted to show you how it works. Sorry. There's like 4 cardstock pieces here, so it does cut a whole bunch. So it's pretty neat. So yeah. So I just wanted to share that. I really did. Oh, and then it has a loop here that you can hang it again in your wall or whatever. Okay, what I wanted to share was these dashboards. I bought these in Michael's. They have like these little binder type of traveling journal, prayer journals, and I wanted to make a dashboard for it. These are not mine. These I made for someone else for Christmas. I bought them the same exact journal. Hold on, give me a minute, I'll get it. I'm so sorry, I should have been a little bit more prepared. But okay, so this is the one that they sell in Michael's, and they were on clearance for $4, and I bought it. And this is where I keep my Bible studies, and that's mine because I love mermaids. And so yeah, so you can put almost anything because it has the elastic. So I mean, sky's the limit, right? And the sky is limited. Limited. Okay, so let me show you this one that's completely done. The other one is the same way, so I'm not gonna open it but it's the same way. So I laminated. I took a folder, a regular folder, vanilla folder, and I bought them in the Dollar Tree. They were like 10 for $1 in a package. So I took that, and then I covered it with paper. It makes it just a little bit more sturdier, and then I laminated with my laminating machine. And of course, it's thick, so it'll stand beating. This wasn't planned, the layout, honestly. I just cut the front and the back, and then I had these pieces left over, so I figured, oh, let me decorate it. I promise you, I had bought these from the Dollar Tree. If anything, how I'm holding this, I took Scotch tape and I kind of rolled it, and I placed it behind this, so it's keeping it down. I don't know how long it will last. I mean, if you want it to really stick there, go and get the actual Post-its, the real ones, because the backing is stickier. The Dollar Tree ones are not. If you want to save money, you can do it that way. You can just grab it, put tape in the back, and press it down and it'll stay. But these were just the pieces that were left from after covering it, so I just kind of cut. This piece was left, I put it there, and then the other piece I just cut it into squares. I put it down. I had no idea that it would fit perfect like that. So that's how my brain works. I don't sit there and measure and you know, plan. I just take out my tools, whatever I'm gonna use, and I let my mind just go with it. You know, I just flow. So really, that's how my creativity and my artsy comes out. I just take a whole bunch of stuff and I just look at it and I start creating. So when it comes to planning and cutting out, and I have 2 left feet. I just got to get the stuff out, and that's how I create. And then I made these paper clips. I invented looping the ends because, can you see it? Right there. Looping the ends, because what this does, I noticed that when I started doing paper clips, it would get stuck with my paper, and I would have to yank it and it would rip it. So I decided that I wanted to loop them. So that's how I did it. And I did it with, where is it? It's lost. I did it with this kind of tool. It's a jewelry tool. So, and this, that's nothing. That's just showing that I put a pocket. This was, I had gone to the Goodwill and I found these, CD plastic covers. So I split them in half and I put the bottom half here. Since this is plastic anyway, it stuck to it. So that's what it is. But there's a YouTuber that shows how to laminate and put a piece of laminating paper inside. But it's great. It's awesome. I wouldn't knock her, but I went to buy laminating sheets and they were very expensive, and I'm a frugal artist, so you know, if I can use glass or I can do it a different way, then yeah. But it's a great video. I don't remember her name. I just came across it. Just, I guess, hidden search planner, and I guess a whole bunch of videos will come up. I'm sure you'll come across her. It was really neat the way she did it. But I was just looking at it. You have to buy 2 separate, she bought like pockets, and then she put it inside there, put it through the laminating machine. But I mean, for a pack of 20, it was like, I don't know, $10 or $12 for me. So I was like, I don't know, you know, and 1 whole sheet takes 1 whole of for this type of journal. So it didn't work for me. Anyway, guys, I wanted to thank you for subscribing to me. I hope somehow I inspired you. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. The next video would be, it's going to be, I hope I can put these in order, is going to be the journals, my Frankenstein journals. I'm going to do those. I got them all together. I did two Frankenstein journals made out of fabric, not paper, fabric. I'm not a sewer at all, but I like to dabble in it once in a while for a challenge. So I really want to show you what I created from my mind, not from a pattern or anything else, just from my mind. So I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. God bless. Bye.